Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Letting you take a listen to our old Ford Stepside that I think the blinker works. You can hear a little bit, she misses a little bit. So you're buying it that way. Fan works. Wiper works, but missing the dome light doesn't work. Might be burnout bulb, I would guess. So definitely a project trucks. I do believe all the lights work. And well, she smokes a little bit, she misses a little bit, and she's a Fred Flintstoner there on the floor. Which is hard to tell. She's not probably an original Wyoming truck because Wyoming trucks do not get this rusty, but it's probably from Minnesota or Wisconsin. But as you can tell by the video, it does move, will trailer load, so but does need a full-blown project. So any questions? 605-695-7391.